Alright, so Josh and I are on our way to Lincoln Acupuncture Project. Today we are doing their street sign. If you remember a couple weeks ago, we did their awning. Now this is just the final touch to help promote their business a little bit better. I think Josh.
I think we need to put a light right here so I can get across traffic. Install went good. It's always fun when you get to use a big tall ladder. The nice thing about the big tall ladder is it allows us to get to these really high spaces a lot easier and feel more comfortable when we're up there. Our other ladders just aren't tall enough to where I would literally be standing on the top of it. You feel like you're gonna fall. But this one went really good. The nice thing is the panel is nice and smooth. Vinyl is already off of it. So quick, easy install. Probably would only took us about 10 minutes at the shop. Here it takes us about an hour or 45 minutes just to, because you gotta go up and down the ladder, move the ladder. But otherwise, went on solid, went on smooth.
Cutting aluminum.
4.
An order?
How many?
50.
How many?
50.
50.
50.
50.
50.
What machine are you using?
The aluminum cutter. I am just about to print a really awesome vintage Camaro sign that's going to be fully covered on coroplast.
What's it for?
I really don't know. Katrina was the designer. She could probably tell you that. You need it this weekend for something.
Hey, what's that sign for?
Camaro.
What?
She shows her car, and her show is this weekend.
So it's for a car show?
It's for a car show.
But
she was the first and only owner. She bought it in '67. So it's kind of cool.
Yeah, so Katrina, what are you doing?
Cutting some orders. It's usually what I do in the morning. Let's see which order. Roger Love. Getting his white done. He's got black, dark gray, and orange. Switch.
Hey, what's up guys? Today we are in the screen print shop working on some t-shirts for Ross Plumbing. It's a good way to advertise your company. It's just a simple logo on the back of the t-shirt. Should be a pretty easy job for us to do, so let's check it out.
Blue Joe.